Hey everybody, and welcome to my channel. This is Resto-Rob, and today we're going to be working on this drill press. Okay, I've already done the drill press. I started this project back in Michigan about 2 years ago, and finally finished it up this weekend. I've got a TikTok video of it, and I could share a link to that, or maybe I don't know how I'll get that to you. But I know there's music on there that can't be. I can't cross it over. So, but it showed how this looked before I started. I might try to figure out something. But this video today is probably whatever I can find on this item that I've done. Overall, I disassembled it. Had to replace the cord, obviously, and the switch was kind of boogered up, so it's just a blank switch. Nothing here. The wiring goes right past it into a on-off switch. I'm using this in my shop, so I didn't go crazy on it. I did try to polish this out. The stand itself, I kind of cleaned it up as best I could, and then I clear coated over the top of it. Just kind of give it that rockabilly look. Again, it's only going to my shop. It's going to be a user, so hopefully I can do some videos using this. So sit back, relax, and see what I come up with. Here we go. The Black & Decker home utility drill and drill stand. There you go. Well, everybody, hopefully you enjoyed what I came up with this drill press. Scout Crafter actually inspired me with the video he did back in the day, and got excited and started searching for it. I did find this on an auction site for $10 back when I was in Michigan, and I got so excited about this I had to have it. So it took me about 2 years to this point to get this done, and I'm pretty happy with it. Pretty happy the way it works. I've had footage on and off. I couldn't tell you where half the stuff is. Like I said earlier, there was a TikTok video I made. But yeah, I finally, after 2 years, got this thing going, and we're definitely going to have to use it now. So thanks for watching, and as always, stay safe, and we will check you later.